If you're dreaming of studying abroad but you're worried about tuition fees, scholarship, or where to even start, you're in the right place. On this channel, I break down scholarships, university application, and opportunities from around the world in a simple, practical way to help international students turn their dreams into reality. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed. Now let's get into today's opportunity. Looking for a fully funded master's scholarship in Germany? Today I'll show you exactly how to navigate the official DAAD Helmut Schmidt's program website and what you need to know before applying. So, if you have been searching for fully funded master scholarship in Germany, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the official DAAD Helmut Schmidt program website, explain who can apply, what the scholarship covers, and how to navigate the application process. Let's get started. So this is the official DAAD Helmut Schmidt program page. I always recommend using the official website because scholarship information and deadlines can change from year to year. The Helmut Schmidt program supports students who want to pursue a master's degree in fields related to public policy, good governance, public administration, development studies, political science, law, economics, and similar disciplines. It's designed for graduates who want to contribute to the social, political, and economic development of their home country. So, as you can see from my screen, this is the official website, and you're going to see as we scroll through the page, find the eligibility requirement, read there, carefully confirm that your academic background and work experience meet the program requirement before you begin your application. So, like as you can see in my screen, um, we have like this scholarship is always country specific. So for my case, I'm going to use my country as an example. So I'm from Kenya. I'm going to search here Kenya, and then we have Kenya here, and then we have what program. I'm looking for graduate programs, and the scholarship purpose, it is for studying. I'm not looking for research, teaching, or internship. I'm looking for study. And then for subject, today we are going to look, because it's about public policy and all those kind of things, so it is on this category, law, economics, and social sciences. So for this Helmut, I'll be going to be specific because it's a DAAD scholarship. You can see in my page there are a lot of different types of scholarship, and now we are going to be very specific on DAAD funding programs only. So let's see what we have. So when you click, you'll find here Helmut. This is what you're going to look at. Helmut Schmidt Program Master Scholarship for Public Policy and Governance. Now let's click and see what we have. Now here you can see we have the overview, application requirement, application procedure, contact, and consulting. So they have stated here the objective is support, like I said earlier, support future leaders from developing and emerging countries. And then we have the list of countries, we have seen it before, who want to promote democracy and social justice in their home country. So we have here current announcement, checklist, application form, list of countries, frequently asked question, and everything. So we are going to see the list of countries that are eligible to apply. I can see here they have all the documents. I'm from Kenya, so it's listed under, let me try and see, it's listed under here, yeah, here it's Kenya. It's listed under lower middle income countries and territories which are not LDC per capita. So Kenya is here. Another African country, Algeria. We have the Congo, Egypt, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, Eswatini. We have Indians also out of Africa, Kyrgyzstan. We have Lebanon, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan. We have Philippines, Samoa, Zimbabwe, all are listed here. Upper middle, we also have some countries here, Brazil, Botswana, South Africa, and all. We have least developed, Malawi, Mali. All of these are listed here. Now let's go to we can go and check the data. We want to look into the scholarship benefit. One of the reasons this program is so competitive is because it offers actually excellent financial support. Depending on the current program detail, the scholarship general include a monthly stipend, health insurance, travel support where applicable, and other benefit. Always check the official page for the latest information. So let's check at current announcement and see what we have. Now, in the current announcement, we have all the details you need. Literally, they have here. Helmut Schmidt's program, Master Scholarship for Public Policy and Good Governance for 2027 here. It's actually for next year. So the objective, like we have read it before, who can apply? We have graduates from developing and emerging countries, bachelor's or equivalent. We have with a well-qualified first university degree, and then information about master's courses are all here. What can be funded? Yeah, master's courses listed below. Yeah, I'll show you all the courses that have been listed for masters, and also the participating universities. Not all universities in Germany are actually participating. So we have I'll show you the courses, and then we have academic education, what can be funded, master listed below and select by the DAAD will place take from September 2027. It's English taught, and then we have the values. Now here is the one I've been told, the benefit, which is the most interesting part. The scholarship, currently you will get 992 euros per month, health insurance covered, fixed travel allowance, a study and research grant, rent subsidies, and family supplement to those who are having family. Precise German language course, you have also to study like German language for particular period of time. And what else? Yeah, they have written here also extra money 500 for, I think it's for research or something. Application process, all up must submit in English or German. It has been listed here, the how you can be able to submit your application. The selection will be made October November 2026. So all applicants are informed in written after the end of the application, that period, and then selection criteria are also listed here. And we have the language, it depends, written here. Application document, just the normal document, CV, letter of motivation. We have degree certificate, transcript, education certificate, English language, reference letters, all them. The application window, it's here. The application period opened in actually 1st June and it closes in July 2026. So you have, we are on the first day of July, so you have at least 30 days to be able to submit the application. So here, please submit the application for master's courses and the DAAD scholarship on time, not the DAAD. Application location, you have been explained there. Please note all the information here. Now let's look at the universities that are actually participating. So if you want to study, which is the most important actually for every university in Germany is part of this program. So make sure you're applying, not every university actually is part of it. You make sure you're applying to one of the eligible courses listed there. Yeah, so for social protection, we have University of Applied Science, Bonn, Rhein, SAG. Oh, I cannot be able to pronounce this word, but you can see it. For development and governance, we have University of Duisburg, Essen. For public policy, we have Willy Brandt School of Public Policy at the University of Erfurt. Peace and conflict, we have University of Magdeburg. Management in non-profit, we have University of Applied Science, Osnabrück. Development studies, we have University of Passau, and governance and public policy, we have also University of Passau. They actually have their emails there. You can always be able to email the university and get more information. Make sure before you apply, you prepare all documents. I've shown you all the documents listed here because the scholarship deadline actually very strict, so don't wait until the last minute to start preparing your application. As you can see, I think all this information, and then I've shown you the deadline, the document, the participating university. You have this application form. Application for DAAD scholarship, the Helmut Schmidt program, information about you and the master program you like to apply to. So we have here surname as stated in your passport. I mean, just normal, the email, gender, marital, the number of children, home, university, your study, you listed there, let it field, everything. Are you currently applying? Have you recently applied? Just, I think it's just normal course. And then you have two choices for your masters. You pick first choice and the second. Make sure your first choice is the one you really are interested in. And then you have the language skill, evident practice during your university. And something let me not forget to mention, this university actually, it takes in people so that maybe you don't ask later. If you watch this video until the end, you should know that it takes people who have 6 years gap year, at least 6 years. For those who graduated from 2020 and above, you're all good. Yeah, that's what I read. It's actually 6 years gap year. I think it's listed, hold on, it's listed somewhere here. Yeah, here. The candidate last university should not date back more than 6 years at the time of the application. So yeah, 6 years. For those people who are always saying they have gap year, this one they're taking up to 6 years for this particular scholarship. So don't miss out. Those 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you're all good. 6 months, you're all good. Just apply. So I hope this walkthrough has helped you understand how the DAAD Helmut Schmidt program works. If you like more scholarship walkthrough for Germany, Canada, New Zealand, and other countries, I hope this video was helpful. If it saved your time or taught you something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe because I post scholarship and study abroad opportunities every week. If you have any question, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.